Have you ever closed Google Chrome only to find it still running in the background, consuming resources? Or perhaps you want it to run in the background to keep receiving notifications or sync data. In this concise and helpful tutorial, we'll dive into the settings that control Chrome's background app behavior. You'll learn the simple steps to either enable Chrome to keep running after you've closed its windows, ensuring you don't miss important alerts, or disable it to free up your computer's memory and improve performance. Master this setting to optimize your browsing experience and take full control of your system's resources. It's pretty straightforward, whether you want to save resources or keep your notifications flowing. Here are the steps. Open Chrome Settings. Click the three dots in Chrome, then go to Settings. Find System Settings. In Settings, navigate to System. Toggle Background Apps, switch Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed on or off to control its background behavior.